Hello students, this is Sumit from Team CLAT Prep. As you all know that you will be writing CLAT 22 on Sunday 19th of June between 2 p.m. to 4 p.m. in the afternoon, and the admit cards are out, and obviously there are some instructions which you are required to follow. So the students were discussing regarding what are the things which are mandatory to follow. So in this video मैं आपको थोड़ा सा गाइड करूंगा कि कौन कौन सी ऐसी चीजें हैं जिनको आपको थोड़ा सा ध्यान में रखना है. Now let's start. On your admit card, there will be the instructions to the candidate UG and PG. Obviously, if you are appearing for CLAT in the UG, then you have to follow the instructions of UG. Now, what are the important instructions? Now, I will be just summarizing them in brief. First of all, you have to report to the test center latest by 1 p.m. तो आपको हर हालत में 1 बजे टेस्ट सेंटर पे पहुंचना है. At 1:30, they will start the entry. So, don't panic. अगर आप थोड़ा जल्दी पहुंचेंगे तो इट विल बी वेरी यूजफुल. लाइक हम लोग थोड़ा एंग्जाइटी को अवॉइड कर सकते हैं, हम लोग थोड़ा सा ट्रेवलिंग एंग्जाइटी को भी अवॉइड कर सकते हैं. तो ऑलवेज मेक श्योर कि आप हर हाल में यू शुड बी एट टेस्ट सेंटर बिफोर 1 p.m. and at sharp 1:30 there will be a bell and you will be allowed to enter into the test center. Now once you are in the test center, you will not be allowed to move out till the exam is end. That is after 4 p.m. only you will be allowed to move out. तो 2 से लेके 4 के बीच में जब तक एग्जाम चलेगा, या ऐसा समझें कि जब आप एक बार एंटर हो जाएंगे तो उसके बाद आपको शाम को 4 बजे के बाद ही जाने की परमिशन होगी. Now after 2:15 at any cost, no one will be allowed to enter into the test center. So this is the last limit which has been mentioned in the instructions, that after 2:15 you will not be allowed to enter into the test center. Now, what are the bell timings? So specifically it has been mentioned in the schedule. 1:30 there will be a long bell, that is for the entry. 1:50 short bell, that is the distribution of the question paper. At 2 a long bell to start the paper. 2:15 the short bell. After this no candidate will be allowed. 2:30 3:30 it will be a short bell depicting half an hour, and 3:50 will be a warning bell, and at 4 there will be a long bell, and this will end the paper. Now, like what you are allowed to carry while you are entering into the examination hall. So these things are only allowed. Now they are blue black ball point pen. यहाँ पे मैं मेंशन करूंगा that please always take ball point pen because you have to fill up the OMR, and the gel pen or the ink pen, उनका जो extra flow है it can cause damage to the OMR. So please carry the blue/black ball point pen. Then you should be having your admit card, any clear original photo ID card issued by the government. Now this is very important. Students are normally confused whether the photocopied are allowed or the colored photocopies are allowed. No, clearly mentioned है कि जो भी annexer में mentioned है, अभी मैं आपको annexer पे लेके चलूंगा, all those IDs which are being mentioned in the annexer, they have to be carried by the students in original form. So you are required to carry the original ID. एक transparent water bottle आपको लेके जाना है, and along with a face mask, sanitizer, face shield and hand gloves. Please try to remember that these all are the mandatory things, and in absence of any of these you can face problem. For example, mask नहीं है, sanitizer का bottle नहीं है, या फेस शील्ड नहीं है, या हैंड ग्लोव्स नहीं है, ये प्लीज आप साथ में कैरी कीजिए, बिकॉज कोविड प्रोटोकॉल के हिसाब से दे आर मैंडेटरी बाय द कंसोर्शियम टू बी taken care by the student while he or she is entering into the examination hall. Now, what type of original ID proofs they are allowed? तो इसके लिए हम एक annexer को कंसल्ट करेंगे. List of acceptable photo ID card proof. This is the part of the annexer which has been given in the permission letter or the hall ticket which you are downloading from the website from your account. Now, passport, PAN card, ration card / PDS photo card, voter ID, driving license, DL, photo ID issued by the recognized educational institution, photo bank, ATM card, किसान फोटो पासबुक, CGHS, ECHS फोटो कार्ड, ये मेडिकल कंटिजेंसीज में इशूड होता है. एड्रेस कार्ड हैविंग नेम एंड फोटो इशूड बाय द डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ पोस्ट, and certificate of identity having photo issued by the gazetted officer and persons with the PWD, they can have their disability ID card. इनमें से अगर कोई भी आपके पास ओरिजिनल फॉर्म में है तो you will be allowed to take and to write this particular exam. Plus keep this thing in mind that you are required to carry them in original form. Again, like there are few instructions again that you are not allowed to carry your cell phones and any kind of other electronic gadgets including calculator, digital watch, health band और एनी काइंड ऑफ अ हेडफोन. तो प्लीज आप इनमें से किसी को साथ में लेके ना जाएं क्योंकि दे विल नॉट बी अलाउइंग यू टू कीप दिस थिंग इनसाइड द सेंटर और इन्हें बाहर रखने में देयर इज अ रिस्क दे कैन गेट मिसप्लेस. सो प्लीज आई रिक्वेस्ट एवरी ऑफ द स्टूडेंट नॉट टू कैरी एनी काइंड ऑफ अ सेल फोन or your digital watches or any kind of electronic gadget including calculator, headphones or any kind of a health band. Then you are required to put your signatures. Now you are required to check every of the copy once the question paper has been provided to you. These are the part of the general instructions. Now every question has to be answered on the OMR sheet. As you all know, you have been practicing a lot on the OMRs, so you need to fill up the response sheet, and this response sheet will be a carbonized copy. So after the end you will be taking the carbonized copy with you and it will help you to tally your answer while the answer key is out. Now it has to be handled carefully, which is a very general instruction. आपको इसे fold नहीं करना है. It should not be tear off. It should not be wrinkle. No splitting of sanitizer or any water over the OMR will go. So please try to maintain the OMR very safe and secure because this is the only point by which you will be evaluated in the exam. In the last, you will be using blue or black point pen only for darkening the circles, and in the end we are mentioning the correct way which has been given in the permission letter how to fill up the OMR sheet. In the end, one more last important thing, that the rough calculation sheet will be provided at the back or at the end of the question paper. No extra sheet will be given. So whatever the question paper you will be getting, the last page will be used for the rough calculation. So that has to be used for rough calculation. आपको अलग से rough calculation करने के लिए और कुछ नहीं मिलेगा, तो आपको उसी को यूज करना है. In case if you have any other doubt, surely you can call us on our helpline number, that is 954 954 7770. I will again repeat the helpline number, 954 954 7770. Thank you.